What do you think about the nature?
The nature is the most comfortable place for me. It's very peaceful. I like the silence and the solitary. When it comes from nature, it's like my place. Like my place. It's like, yeah, that's all.
Good question. I would say nature is our home. It's where we evolved as humans, and I would say we don't really like our nature, and we do not really protect our nature. So I guess I would say I think about nature as our home that we don't truly appreciate. What is your favorite place in the nature and why?
Okay, so my favorite place in the nature is like the forest. I always will be attracted to the forest because I have so many great memories, and that's where I find peace and quietness between this whole crowded and noisy world. Is like my place where I can reconnect with the nature.
I would say my favorite place in the nature is the beach. I really like going to the beach because I like swimming and I like the hot sun pointing at me. And also when I'm swimming, I feel refreshed, and swimming helps it helps my head shut down and hear and like it shuts down all the noise, and yeah, that's pretty much it.